Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit and Posture Size. Today we're going to be going over the most dangerous stretch you can do for lower back disc problems, how to modify it and make it safe. Hope you enjoy. So whether you're at the gym or at home, many times when your lower back starts to bother you, especially when you've had recurrent back problems, and many people with recurrent back problems wind up with disc problems, either disc bulges, disc herniations, or disc degeneration. The common thought is, let me stretch my back out. And so you begin to lean forward and over in some degree or another. Unfortunately, discs get compressed when we go forward, when we flex, and many times that's the irritating part of it. What we're trying to do when we do that is we're thinking we're stretching out back muscles, but besides compressing discs and aggravating them in that unsupported forward flex position, what we're also doing is we're not allowing the back muscles to relax, because as we bend forward, they're contracting to prevent us from falling over. So we're actually producing two negatives in this stretch. One, we're compressing discs, many times aggravating our symptoms after the stretch. You wonder, hey, I felt a little looser, but now my back's bothering me more. Or two, the muscles haven't really even stretched out because they're contracting. If a muscle's contracting, it cannot stretch. Those fibers cannot extend. So here's a couple of different options that are much safer for you. Number one, if you straddle a bench, or you could do this at a chair at home, put both of your hands on your thigh just above your knee. Your hands now are going to act with your arms as a post. So when you lean forward and slightly to the side, which is going to stretch the opposite side of the lower back, those muscles can relax. Also, even though the position of the spine is forward, you don't have as much irritation on the disc because you're supporting your body weight with your arms, so that alleviates disc pressure. Another great stretch you can do is on your hands and knees. Here, the spine is not weight bearing at all, and you simply walk your hands off to the side, which then causes a lateral or a sideways tilt, stretching the opposite side of the back muscles. Again, the back muscles can relax because they're not called on to contract to prevent you from falling forward. Your upper body weight is on your arms, and it takes a lot of stress off that disc. Plug these two stretches into your disc problems, to your stretching. It can help avoid you a lot of lower back pain. If you like this video on lower back stretches for disc problems, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of great videos out there. Questions or comments, feel free to write in. I'll do my best to answer them. Thumbs up to help me share this valuable information with others that are suffering from disc problems. And remember, if you would like a unique, tailored program for your degenerative, herniated, or bulging disc, check out our Fast Track program at painfreeandfit.com. It goes over all your body analysis for your unique mechanical corrections, muscle imbalances, how to coordinate stabilization that's unique for you because we're all different. Goes through step-by-step how to organize a self-rehab program to both stretch, strengthen, and coordinate movement to get you back into sports and activities working out without aggravating your disc problems. I hope this video on stretching, the most dangerous stretch for disc problems, helps you with your fitness and lower back goals.